Alright, look, I shuffle these cards and now spectator stop maybe here. You remember ace of hearts? No, you remember 4 ace. Wow. You search for ace, it's really not bad. And now I shuffle these cards and now I take one random cards. Maybe my cards jack of clubs. And now I production 4 jack. It's really not bad. 4 ace and 4 jack. Look, this is ace of diamonds, ace of clubs, ace of hearts, ace of spades. Jack of clubs, jack of hearts, jack of diamonds, and jack of spades is jack leader. Jack of spades and 3 jack. And now this take for ace. Alright, so look. And now I change this jack of spades and ace of spades. Like this. Now snap my finger, now this 3 jack jumps this pile and 4 ace here. And now I shuffle these cards, maybe like this, why not? And now you stop me anytime, maybe here. And now I take 1, 2, 3, 4 random cards. Maybe 9 of spades is leader, right? Look. And now I change this ace of spades and 9 of spades. Now snap my finger, now this ace, 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 because this 9, 9 and 9, wow, it's very crazy. Let's learn. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you really unbelievable easy to do card trick. It's really self-working card trick, it's really easy, it's really unbelievable pure sleight of hand. No, it's really self-working card trick, yes. It's really crazy, guys. It's really true. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, like in this video right now. Maybe share this video with your friend magician, why not? And now I take these 2 hearts, no, 2 hearts, change king of spades and change 3 of spades, yes. And maybe change 7 of hearts. Alright guys, take your deck and teach this really easy, unbelievable card trick. Let's learn. Alright, first trick you make a little setup. So, you take this deck, shuffle like this, and take 4 jack, 4 ace, and 4 9. Alright. And now your setup look like this. You take this 4 9, of course 9 of spades, putting her like this, and turn over like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, and a 9 of spades, putting her. Alright. The next step you take this 4 jack, jack of spades like this, turn over, and 4 ace, ace of spades here, and turn over. And now you show it 4 ace and 4 jack, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ace, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 jack. It's really true. And next step you use this finger, count 3 cards, 1, 2, 3, and make a break and save it your break. Alright, I repeat. 1, 2, 3, make a break and save it your break. Alright, and now you take this jack, take this ace, squeeze, and now you take this 11 cards, 4 ace, 4 jack, and 3 9. Alright, take this 11 cards and show it 4 ace. You take this ace of clubs, ace of hearts, ace of diamonds, ace of spades, and show it 3 jack, jack of hearts, jack of diamonds, jack of clubs, and now this is 4 cards, 3 9 and 1 jack. Drop it like this and show it this jack of spades and drop it like this, because jack of spades is jack leader. Alright, and now you deal 3 cards, 1, 2, 3, and now you deal 1 by 1 4 cards, 1, 2, 3, and these 4 cards turn over and put in her like this. Right, it's really nice, it's really easy. The next step you switch these 2 cards, jack put in her, ace put in her. Now you snap your finger and show it this jack teleports this pile and this 4 ace. It's really crazy teleport, yes, it's really amazing. And now you take this deck and now you make full shuffle like this. You take little pile, drop it 1 cards like this, and now you save it, you break these cards. Really shuffle. Alright, of course you save it your break. And now you squeeze this break and save it your break like this. Alright, look, it's really easy. 4 ace here, and now you take 1 card, make a break, make a really shuffle, and now you squeeze and save it your break, right? And next step, spectator stop anytime, and now you make a dribble force. Please, spectator stop anytime, you drop it like this, spectator stop, alright, it's really true, right? It's really easy, so I repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I shuffle, make a break, save it your break, spectator stop anytime, maybe here, and now you drop it 4 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4. And drop it this pile and turn over and drop it like this. And now you take this 1 card, turn over. Of course, this is 9 of spades and 3 random cards. And now you switch this 9, this ace. Ace put in her, 9 put in her. Now snap my finger and show it this for ace. And of course this for 9. It's really easy, it's really crazy trick. Thank you for watching my video. See you later.